Hello friends, welcome to Commerce and Excel app. In this video, I am going to show you conditional formatting trick number 5. Okay, so we have stock quantity table and this contains data from January to June. So our requirement is if the stock got increased compared to prior month, the background field should be green color, and if the stock got decreased compared to prior month, the background fill color should be yellow. Okay. So in simple, if I take product P1, in January month, the stock quantity is 20,185 and in the February month, it got increased to 24,795. So here, the background field, it should change into green. Okay. And if I take product P2, in January month, the stock quantity is 40,797 and in the month of February, it got decreased to 17,723. Okay, here the background field should be yellow. Okay, so this is a requirement. So now we are going to write conditional formatting rules so that this colors will get automatically updated based upon the numbers. So firstly, we'll select the data from February to June. Okay, and I will clear the colors which I have applied manually, and here we need to ignore month January because we don't have any prior month data for January month. So from the month of February to June, we can see conditional formatting rules. Okay, so I will click on conditional formatting, new rule, and I will use the last option, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and the formula will be equal to, and let us assume for the month of February and write a formula. Then we can change this formula to apply for all the other months as well. Okay, now if my current month stock quantity is greater than prior month, okay, so the current month stock quantity is available in cell E6 and prior month stock quantity is available in cell D6. So this is an example for product P1 and for the month of February. Okay, so if you simply remove the dollar sign before row number and column ID, okay, for both the cells, then this is a dynamic formula which will be applied for all the products and across all the months from February to June. Okay, so if the current month value is greater than prior month, the format will be, simply click on format and I will select the fill will be green and then say OK and again OK. So we can see the result. The cells which are in green color, it means these are the values which got increased compared to prior month. Okay, so we can randomly check. So for product P5, if we observe in the month of April, it got increased compared to March month stock quantity, and for product P10 we can see there is increase in quantity continuously from February to April. Okay, and then it got decreased in the month of May, and again in the month of June it is increased. So now let's write another conditional formatting rule for stock quantity decreased compared to prior month. Okay, so again I'm going to select data from February to June and I will click on conditional formatting, new rule, last option, and here I'm going to write, again we need to assume in the same way. So we are writing formula for product P1 and only for February month. Okay, so again I'm going to select cell E6. If my current month value is less than prior month, which is cell D6, then I should format this in yellow color. So before going to the format, now we need to make this formula dynamically so that all the products will be covered, and in the same way this rule can be used for all the months. Okay, for that I will remove dollar sign before row number and column ID, and I will remove dollar sign before row number and column ID. So for both the cells we need to remove the dollar sign, and I will click on format. I will select the yellow color and say OK, again OK. and we can see the cells with background color yellow are stock quantity decreased compared to prior month. Okay, and we can have a random check. So for product P9, here we can see in the month of February it is 29,000, whereas in the month of January it is 36,000. Okay, so it got decreased. So same thing in all other cases as well. So I hope this video will help you in your day-to-day Excel work. It is a very simple and small Excel formula, and if you want to practice this task, you can download this workbook from the link available in the description. If you like this video, please give me a like, share and comment. And for more Excel updates, please subscribe to Commerce and Excel Hub YouTube channel and visit my website comexcelhub.com. Thank you.